24 Best Rosa Parks Quotes from the Civil Rights Movement Activist. Welcome to our famous quotes, and now watch the video title quotes, so let's started. 1. I had given up my seat before, but this day I was especially tired. Tired from my work as a seamstress, and tired from the ache in my heart. 2. I believe there is only one race, the human race. 3. One person can change the world. 4. I'm tired of being treated like a second-class citizen. 5. Nah. She said this when asked to give her seat to a white man on a bus in Montgomery. 6. Without vision, people perish. And without courage and inspiration, dreams die. 7. Each person must live their life as a model for others. 8. We will fail when we fail to try. 9. The bus was among the first ways I realized there was a black world and a white world. 10. Racism is still with us. But it is up to us to prepare our children for what they have to meet. And hopefully, we shall overcome. 11. There was an opportunity for me to take a stand. 12. Stand for something or you will fall for anything. Today's mighty oak is yesterday's nut that held its ground. 13. People always say that I didn't give up my seat because I was tired, but that isn't true. I was not tired physically. No. The only tired I was tired of giving in. 14. There is no future without education. 15. To this day I believe we are here on planet Earth to live, grow, and do what we can to make this world a better place for all people to enjoy freedom. 16. Arrest me for sitting on a bus? You may do that. 17. Whatever my individual desires were to be free. I was not alone. There were many others who felt the same way. 18. You must never be fearful about what you are doing when it is right. 19. I would like to be known as a person who is concerned about freedom and equality and justice and prosperity for all people. 20. Memories of our lives, of our works and our deeds will continue in others. 21. To bring about change, you must not be afraid to take the first step. 22. I have learned over the years that when one's mind is made up, this diminishes fear. Knowing what must be done does away with fear. 23. God has always given me the strength to say what is right. 24. I would like to be remembered as a person who wanted to be free, so other people would be also free. Thanks to watch famous quotes and like more famous quotes to subscribe us now.